Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha states that she conceived Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu in Makkah Mukarramah. She further said, when I left Makkah Mukarramah, my gestation had gone to full term. I then reached Medina Munawwara and stayed at Quba and gave birth to Hazrat Abdullah at Quba. I then entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and nestled Abdullah in his lap. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam called for a date, masticated it and put his saliva in his Hazrat Abdullah's mouth. So the first thing which reached his stomach was the spit of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then rubbed his palate with the chewed date, supplicated for him and invoked a blessing for him. Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu was the first baby born during the period of Islam after emigration. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5582.